Hello friends, this is Adam from BAi-Long Machine. Today we are at the Long Beach Convention Center and we are joining the Impressions Expo in Long Beach. So today you can follow me to have a visitor in this exhibition show. Okay, let's go. So this exhibition show is focused on the garment for printing and embroidery. So we can see there are so many different brands.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
And our BAi booth
Yeah.
over there. Okay, here is our BAi booth, BAi your new choice. And this time we have prepared our new model B22, B22 double hits, and our classic model 05001 here. B22, and we are working the cabin model here, and also the double hits B22, and making the patch here. And also our F22. Here is our control panel. We have the different generations of panel. You can see now this is our latest in stage
Five.
i5.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody still don't know we also provide
Yeah.
small machine,
Yeah.
sewing machine, embroidery machine. If you want to get our BAi brand printing, sewing machine, embroidery machine, you can find us at Amazon. Okay, if you want more information, please come to our booth. We are always here to welcome you. Bye bye.